To disable your Samsung Galaxy from automatically recording calls, you can quickly change a simple setting in your phone's call options. Open the phone app, which is where all your calling features are managed. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots menu icon. This will open a drop down list of options related to call settings and preferences. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the settings page, scroll through the available options until you find Record Calls. Tap on it to access the call recording settings. Now you will see an option called Auto Record Calls. This feature is usually turned on by default on some Samsung models, especially if call recording was previously enabled. Simply toggle the switch to the off position. Once disabled, your phone will no longer automatically record incoming or outgoing calls. After completing these steps, you can exit the settings menu. There is no need to restart your phone, as the changes take effect immediately. Your all done automatic call recording is now turned off successfully.